Need to know if your alternator is going bad? Here's a quick test to see if you have a failing alternator. Cars have a lot of electrical systems that rely on the car battery to operate. All of these systems are constantly using up the energy that the battery provides, which would drain it very fast if the car didn't have a way to recharge the battery. This is what an alternator is for. It is a generator that creates and supplies electricity to the battery to keep it charged. In order to keep the battery charged, the alternator needs to produce between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. In most cases, a reading lower than this range indicates a failing alternator. To check this is very simple. You will need a digital multimeter. Set the dial to measure DC or direct current voltage, which is the V with the straight lines above it. Plug the test leads into the proper ports. Make sure the positive lead is in the voltage port and not the amperage port. Start the car and hold the test leads to the battery terminals. With the engine running, the voltage reading at the battery terminals is the alternator output voltage. In this case, the alternator is outputting 12.6 volts, which is not enough to keep the battery charged, so the alternator will need to be replaced.